Welcome to Murmu Software Infotech, Sitecore CMS and XM Cloud Training Program Series. I am Murmu, CTO Murmu Software Infotech. I am Microsoft Azure Developer Certified and Sitecore Certified Professional. So we are providing Sitecore CMS Training and Certification Course Program. So on it we are providing like Sitecore.NET MVC Training Program. We are providing SXA Training Program. We are providing Sitecore GSS and XM Cloud Training Program, and we are also providing a Sitecore CMS crash course. So let me show you in our website from where you can get into our training program. So when you will access the website, in a home page you will see like a Sitecore CMS training program, where you can select the individual training program like this, maybe the Sitecore CMS training program, Sitecore GSS. If you want to access whole training program, you can just click this one, like what we offer in Sitecore CMS online training program. So if I am clicking it, it will redirect to a page where it will find a form to fill up to request for a demo session or to join the session. Below it we have all training program we provide. So there is a corporate Sitecore CMS training program, there is a CMS crash course, there is a Sitecore GSS headless and XM Cloud training program, there is a Sitecore CMS training course which is a .NET MVC training program. Okay, if you're interested in any of these, you can just click like a join. If I'm interested on a GSS and headless XM Cloud training program, I click the join. It will again redirect me to a page where it's related to the curriculum where we have mentioned about the headless and XM Cloud. Okay, so you can find the curriculum and you can see what are the topics that we are going to cover. So there, for the XM Cloud, you can check it. If you're interested in any of the training program, like you'll find a form, you can just drop us a query or maybe request to join the training program. Then our team will directly reach out to you. Okay, when I go back to the main page here, so the thing is, we are providing 50% off on any of the Sitecore training program. So it's limited offer up to the limited days, maybe it is up to the 15th of this month. Okay, so if you join this training program before 15th of this month, you will get 50% off on any of the CMS training program. Maybe it can be a Sitecore GSS, XM Cloud, maybe Sitecore SXA or Sitecore.NET with MVC training program. So make sure you are joining this training program, just filling up this form, or maybe if you can request us to join us the demo session. So you can just you have to fill this form, and our team will arrange you for a demo session. So after this training program, what we are providing like a certification of whatever like training program you are going to attend. And another thing, like we have a LMS platform from where actually you can get whatever like the training program we are going to cover, all the videos and related content you'll get from this our LMS platform. So if you join, we'll register you in this LMS platform. You can directly get the access, and you can continue the document or maybe the videos to start your learning. Okay, so make sure you are joining this training program to get the 50% off, and see you in the session. Thank you very much.